Welp, this has got to be the most silliest, ridiculous, and immature video that I've done as of right now.
I'm bored. I'm gonna go to the career school. Yeet. Well, if there's one thing that 80s games have taught me, is that the only way to get from one place to another is by going through warp zones. Or in this case, pipes. Also, just so you remember, kids, don't smoke out of pipes, otherwise you'll go through really bad trauma at your adult age. I'm not going to be able to fit in that thing, aren't I? I guess I'm gonna have to make myself small. Alright then, time to descale myself. Oh dear. Oh, now I'm on the right size. Let's go to school. Hopefully this thing works. Oh!
Ew. I guess I'm here. Wasn't expecting that to actually work. Well, now that I'm at school, I think I'm going to wish some random strangers a Merry Christmas. Let's go!
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy winter holidays.
Merry Christmas, my boy.
Why are you laughing? Oh, you just gave me a fist bump.
Yeah,
Ow. Brr. Watching Tugs on Christmas be like. Merry Christmas, youngster.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Happy Christmas. What are you laughing at? Never seen a floating toy train before?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Trucks. Feliz Navidad.
Merry Christmas.
Don't you ever do that to me again. Oh my god, Doc, thank goodness you're here. What the? Gordon? What are you doing? Why are you a picture? Oh, you won't believe who did this to me, Doc. Well, who did this to you? Sir Robert Norby. What? Yes, he used some kind of black magic, and he turned me into a picture, and not only that, almost my entire body is missing. Okay, that's bizarre even for this channel. Okay. Yeah, and I need your help. I need your help to turn me back to normal. Why? Because you're a duck, you have like crazy powers, right? Well, yeah, but I kind of left that phase of mine, when I turned into a good boy back in 2020. Oh, so you can't help me then? No, I cannot. Phooey. Yeah. Wait, why'd he turn you into a picture anyway? Because I kept beating him at rock, paper, scissors. Oh, that's actually a pretty good reason for turning you into a picture. Alright, see you later, guys. No! Oh, the indignity!